Welcome to Casagrand Aspires, an elegantly designed high-rise community at Navalur, just 10 minutes from Sholinganallur. With close proximity to the prestigious schools, colleges, hospitals and business hubs, with 316 finest 2 and 3 BHK apartments spread across 1.76 acres. The community is adorned with the elements of contemporary architectural elevation with glass facade and lighting. Grand entrance arch with majestic obelisk adds courtly attention to the community. Casagrand Aspires is designed with 75 plus world-class amenities for recreational activities like hammocks, puzzle wall, outdoor gym, ribbon alcove, sensory floor games, aqua amphitheatre with stage, seating alcove, nanny's corner, explorer tunnel and many more interesting amenities. Efficiently designed community with 77% of open space and 14,000 square feet landscaped areas for ample lighting and ventilation, along with recreational amenities like skating rink, tropical gardens, senior citizens park. 7,300 square feet lavish clubhouse is crafted with detailed lift fascia with wall cladding and grand entrance lobby, multi-purpose hall, kids play area, multi-play indoor park, foosball, table tennis, air hockey, monopoly and billiards table, mini theatre, fully equipped gym and much more for active and engaging lifestyle. The adorable high-rise community is crafted in such a way that all the bedrooms and balconies offer city skyline views, and each unit ensures healthy living experience with maximum lighting and ventilation. Indulge into the world of eternal joy with unique amenities like seating stepwell, kids outdoor gym, cluster swing, basketball dribbling court, toddlers play area, and cool zen garden. Lavish 3,000 square feet overflowing edge pool with poolside amenities is designed to drain out the stress of daily life. Experience the life of superiority and grandeur at Casagrand Aspires, the homes you desire. Come and book your dream home today.